Hello everybody, welcome to Storytime with Etta. Today's book is called Dr Suess ABC by Dr Suess. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Big D, little d, David Donald Do dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E, ear, egg, elephant, E. Big F, little f, F, 4 fluffy feathers on a fifth. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, goat, girl, goo goggles, G. Big H, little h, hungry horse, hay, hen in a hat, hooray. Big I, little I, Ichabod is itchy, so am I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Big K, little k, kitten, kangaroo, kicked a kettle, kite, and a king's kachoo. Big L, little Lola Lopp, left leg, lazy lion licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight, mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful, you use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Paint in pink pyjamas, policeman in a pail. Peter Pepper's puppy, and now Papa's in the pail. Big Q, little q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quacking Quaker oo. Big R, little r, Rosie Robin Ross, Rosie's going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little s, Sally Sammy Slick, sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T, what begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a tuttle tree. Big U, little u, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little v, Vera, Violet, Vin, is very awful on her violin. W, Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Walder Woo. X is very useful. If your name is Nixie Knox, it also comes in handy spelling axe an extra fox. Big Y, little y, a yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda, your Jensen is yelling on his back. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z, little z, What begins with Z? I do. I'm a Zizzer-Zazzer-Zuzz, as you can plainly see. Thank you for listening to Storytime with Etta. Click the like button and please subscribe to listen to more stories.